Why Ethiopia Airline is the only airline in Africa. Ethiopian Airlines is not the only airline in Africa. In fact, there are many airlines operating across the continent. However, Ethiopian Airlines is widely recognized as a leading and dominant force in African aviation. Here's why Ethiopian Airlines stands out and is often perceived as the main or most important airline in Africa. Largest fleet and network. Ethiopian Airlines has the largest fleet and serves more destinations within Africa than any other airline. It has established a vast network that connects cities across the continent to each other and to destinations worldwide. Profitability and efficiency. Ethiopian Airlines is known for its strong financial performance and operational efficiency, which has allowed it to grow and invest in new technology and a modern fleet. It has consistently turned a profit for many years, a rare feat for many African carriers. Technological leadership. The airline has a history of being a pioneer in African aviation, introducing new aircraft technology to the continent. It was the first to operate the Boeing 787 Dreamliner and Airbus A350 in Africa, for example. Strategic hub. Its hub at Bole International Airport in Addis Ababa is strategically located, making it a key connecting point for flights between Africa, Europe, Asia, and the Americas. Awards and recognition. Ethiopian Airlines has received numerous awards, including being named Best Airline in Africa by Skytrax for multiple consecutive years. While Ethiopian Airlines is a powerhouse, other significant African airlines include Egyptair Egypt, Royal Air Maroc Morocco, Kenya Airways Kenya, South African Airways South Africa, Air Algerie Algeria, Rwandair Rwanda, Flysafair South Africa. These airlines, and many others, are all vital to the African aviation market, serving domestic, regional, and international routes. Ethiopian Airlines has made significant investments to enhance the customer comfort zone and overall passenger experience. While a full assessment of comfort depends on the individual traveler and the specific route and aircraft, here are the key factors that contribute to the airline's focus on passenger comfort. Onboard services and amenities. Ethiopian Airlines offers a range of services to improve the flying experience from the moment you board. In-flight entertainment. Many of Ethiopian's modern aircraft, like the Boeing 787 Dreamliner and Airbus A350, are equipped with a state-of-the-art in-flight entertainment EFA system. This includes on-demand movies, music, and games, often displayed on high-definition screens. The A350-1000, for example, features 4K QLED displays and the ability to pair personal headphones via Bluetooth. Connectivity. The airline provides Wi-Fi connectivity on select aircraft, allowing passengers to stay connected with family and work during their flight. Meal service. Passengers receive hot meals, snacks, and a selection of beverages, including alcoholic and non-alcoholic options. The menus are often a blend of international and traditional Ethiopian cuisine, which is a unique offering. Comfort options. For those who want more personal space, Ethiopian Airlines offers the Mishiba neighbor-free seat add-on, allowing passengers to purchase an empty seat next to them. This can make a significant difference in comfort, especially on long-haul flights. Passengers can also pre-select their preferred seats, including those with extra legroom. Cabin classes and seating. Ethiopian Airlines has distinct cabin classes to cater to different comfort and budget needs. Cloud 9 Business Class. Ethiopian's business class, known as Cloud 9, provides a premium experience with lie-flat seats on long-haul flights, allowing passengers to sleep more comfortably. The service includes priority boarding, dedicated lounges at Addis Ababa Bole International Airport, and an elevated dining experience with a wider selection of meals and beverages. Economy class. In economy class, passengers on newer aircraft benefit from a comfortable cabin with adequate legroom, which is an important feature for many travelers, especially on long-distance flights. Ground services. The airline's focus on comfort extends to its ground services, particularly at its main hub in Addis Ababa. Lounges. Passengers traveling in business class, or those with a Star Alliance Gold status, have access to exclusive lounges at Bole International Airport (AD). These lounges offer a comfortable space to relax, work, and dine before a flight. Transit services. For passengers with long layovers, Ethiopian Airlines offers complimentary stopover packages, including hotel stays and airport transfers, which is a notable benefit that helps reduce the stress and discomfort of extended transit times. It is important to note that while Ethiopian Airlines has invested heavily in modernizing its fleet and services, passenger reviews can vary. Some reviews highlight positive experiences with the cabin crew and modern aircraft, while others point to occasional issues with baggage handling and ground services, which are common challenges for large airlines with busy hubs.